Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers. Cheap Timonium long-distance movers near me. We serve all types of customers, whether you are moving out of state, across the nation, or internationally. Our moving team is expert at planning and executing your move from start to finish. In addition to packing and safe delivery services, we do have a compensation policy in our company to cover any damage or loss. Along with long-distance moving solutions, we also provide all of the following: packing and unpacking of things, supplying of affordable packing materials, timely services, transparent pricing, advanced packaging techniques, fleets of trucks, trained staff, well-maintained and supervised storage units licensed and insured. Moving locally to your new home or office doesn't mean you need to do everything yourself. It is not very practical to pack and load your stuff and lift heavy furniture on your own when you do need to focus on other priorities. Hiring a local Timonium moving company will be well worth it when you don't have to deal with the unnecessary stress of moving all your stuff from one place to other. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Timonium moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form